nor think of what the morrow holds, but brood o'er woes of yesterday. Why should my ears enraptured hear the plaintive notes of Philomel? Fellow bard, a rose am I, to lose me in sweet music's swell. For I too have the gift of song, which gives me courage to complain. But 'tis none but God himself whom I in sorrow must arraign. I grant that we have earned repute as ever reconciled to fate, but to thee still a tale of pain I can no longer help narrate. Though we may seem like voiceless lyres, within imprisoned anguish cries, its urge compels and I obey, framing these plaintive melodies. Hear thou, O God, these sad complaints from those of proven fealty beneath proud spires in western lands, and made that magic melody thrill over Afric's burning sands. The pageantries of mighty kings to us were shows that mattered not, beneath the shade of blades unsheathed in Kalima we glory sought. Our only life was then to face the perils there of thy holy wars. To glorify thy name we die, adorned with hollowed battle scars, not lust for power for our own sakes. Our drawn swords playfulness inspired, nor roamed we hand in glove with death. For worldly riches we desired, our people had they set their hearts on this world's riches or its gold. Not idol breaking would have gone, but idols would have bought and sold. We stood our ground